This is a Just Auto Insurance review. Is Just Auto Insurance legit? Have you used Just before? Drop your experience in the comments below. So here's the deal. You've probably seen Just Auto Insurance pop up in your feed, or maybe heard someone mention pay-per-mile insurance. Sounds like a dream if you barely drive, right? I went deep into Reddit threads, Trustpilot, YouTube reviews, and even the nitty-gritty complaints boards to find out if Just is actually legit, or just another slick app with hidden fees. Let's start with the good stuff. If you're a low-mileage driver, like under 500 miles a month, Just can save you serious cash. People who work from home or only drive on weekends say they've cut their insurance bills by 50 to 70%. The app is simple to use. You sign up, drop a deposit, and get instant coverage. Then it charges you per mile. You can even adjust your monthly mileage estimate with a slider in the app. Pretty flexible. Customer service gets a lot of love too. Folks mention reps like Estella and Lupita by name, saying they're patient, helpful, and actually solve problems fast. Some users even said Just helped them get their DMV records updated on the spot. But it's not all sunshine. The app itself, kinda buggy. People complain about trip tracking glitches, odometer photo uploads failing, and surprise charges when the system misrates mileage. If you forget to send a photo, they might bill you for 50 miles a day until you do. That's brutal. And if you cancel your policy, some users say they still got charged. A few even ended up in collections over it. Not cool. Others say the GPS tracking drains their phone battery and sometimes charges them even when they're not driving. That's a big red flag. Also, Just is only available in Arizona right now. So if you're in another state, you're out of luck. And there's no bundling, no multi-policy discounts, no perks like roadside assistance. It's bare bones. You get liability or full coverage, and that's it. So is Just Auto Insurance legit? Yeah, it is. It's a licensed insurer. It's not a scam, but it's definitely not for everyone. If you drive a lot or hate dealing with apps, or want more traditional coverage options, you'll probably be frustrated. But if you're barely on the road and want to stop overpaying for insurance you don't use, Just might be the cheapest option out there. Try Just yourself? Let us know how it went.